Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Beautiful Within. Friends, I'm sure you all agree that for an active healthy lifestyle, one must intake proteins in their diet, right? And for me, taking proteins became very easy once I started taking protein powders. Now I know that there are many brands who make protein powders, but this one is very special because it is a plant-based protein powder and the future is green, right? So yes friends, today I'm going to talk about this protein powder from the brand bGREEN and how it has completely changed my life. Friends, this protein powder is 100% vegan plant-based protein powder made with a blend of brown rice and pea protein. Best for vegans and vegetarians who struggle to meet their protein needs. Friends, this plant-based protein powder contains all the 9 essential amino acids which our body cannot produce. And also friends, plant-based protein powders are low in fats and calories compared to animal protein powders. So now friends, quickly let us talk about the consumption part. The servings I think depends upon person to person. Now I'll tell you what I do. I basically take this drink after my yoga and workout sessions in the morning, and I think it's a perfect time to take it. It fuels up my energy levels and keeps fatigue away with power of nature to help me recover faster after my workout or daily activities. It also supports healthy bone development, friends. You just need to add 1 level scoop of this powder into the shaker और इसमें 300 ml chilled water mix करना है. Shake it for 20 to 30 seconds and enjoy. And friends, it is also available in chocolate, strawberry and cafe mocha flavors. And let me tell you, it is without any artificial sweetness. This is a zero sugar protein delight. Friends, also this protein powder is absolutely free of gluten, soy and dairy products. So friends, with this, I'm sure you are in for a true plant-based experience. So go out there and try it for yourself and see the magic on your body. And your body is going to surely love it. The purchase link of this product is given down in the description box below. Do check it out. And also friends, thanks for watching this video. If you found this information useful, do hit a like button down below and share it with your friends and relatives. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before leaving. Until then, I see you in my next interesting and informative video. You take care of yourself and always keep smiling. Bye bye.